former Miss South Africa finalist and Miss Universe Nigeria, Chidimma Adetshina, is continuing her fight to stay in the country. Adetshina appeared in the Cape Town Regional Court today after her arrest for entering the country illegally. Adetshina first made headlines when she was forced to withdraw from the Miss South Africa pageant in 2024. Home Affairs later alleged that her mother had committed identity theft to gain South African citizenship. Adetshina was declared a banned person, but she entered the country through the Lebombo border post, and she was arrested in June after she was traced to the mother city. The beauty queen has now submitted an affidavit to the court outlining the steps that she is taking to legalize her stay in the country.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, things are not looking good for Chidimma Adetshina. For those who know, for those who don't know, she got arrested in June because it was discovered that she was in Cape Town all along, and she is not supposed to be in South Africa because she doesn't have the right papers to be in South Africa, so she is considered as an illegal immigrant. But ke girl decided to just win the crown in Nigeria and then come back to South Africa. So she was found in Cape Town when she got arrested. So guys, guess what? She is now suing the state, saying that she has a right to be here, she has a right to stay in South Africa. So she is currently going to court, so girl, with lawyers, Zisana. She wants to be a South African legally, And on the other hand, Nigerians are so mad. They are so mad at Chidimma Adetshina because they just feel like she is ungrateful and she took advantage of them. So now they want their crown back. They just want nothing to do with her anymore because Sana, how could you do that to them, They tried to take you in and just let you know that no, girl, if they don't want you in South Africa, you can come and participate this side. But when what did you do? You attended, you participated, Sana, and then you won the crown, and then you came back to South Africa. So that's the reason the Nigerians are so mad. They are currently protesting, Sana, in Nigeria, full of the streets, Sana. They want their crown back and they want their title back because they feel like Chidimma Adetshina took advantage of them and then went back again to South Africa. So she is currently in a legal battle to fight to stay in a country where she doesn't. It's a lot, guys, it's a lot, but I don't know. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think she has a right to stay in South Africa, or she needs to go back to Nigeria where she won her crown? And I don't think they want her anymore there. I don't think they do want her after what she did. I don't think she is welcomed, Shem. But do leave a comment in the comment section.